The Battle of Bizani, fought from March 4th to March 6, 1913, was a crucial engagement during the First Balkan War. It took place near the fortified position of Bizani, south of the city of Ioannina in Epirus, Greece. This battle was part of Greece's campaign to capture Ioannina from the Ottoman Empire. The Greek army, under the command of Crown Prince Constantine, aimed to break the strong Ottoman defenses and take control of Ioannina, a strategic and culturally significant city. The Ottoman forces, commanded by Esad Pasha, were well entrenched and had fortified their positions around Bizani, expecting a prolonged siege. The Greeks began their assault on March 4th, employing a combination of infantry attacks and heavy artillery bombardment. Despite the difficult terrain and strong Ottoman fortifications, the Greek forces managed to penetrate the defensive lines through coordinated attacks and effective use of their artillery. The turning point came on March 6th, when the Greeks launched a decisive assault that overwhelmed the Ottoman defenses. The fall of Bizani led to the subsequent surrender of Ioannina on March 6, 1913. The Greeks captured around 32,000 Ottoman soldiers, along with significant amounts of military equipment. The victory at Bizani was a major achievement for Greece, significantly contributing to their overall success in the First Balkan War. It not only secured Ioannina, but also bolstered Greek morale and military prestige. The battle showcased the effective leadership of Crown Prince Constantine and the tactical prowess of the Greek army, playing a crucial role in the eventual Greek gains in Epirus.